course. You gotta create content, gotta stay busy. So all I'm doing is lifting the front up because what I want to do is I want to get these ceramic coated, but I gotta wash them first. And all I'm trying to do is just lift the front up just a little bit so I can get these tires off, or the wheels. And then we'll wash them. And then we're going to ceramic coat. I only have a little bit of the Deluxe, or the Lux, what is it called? Yeah, Deluxe. So I've only got a little bit of this left. So I want to be mindful. I've only got like maybe to there. So maybe enough to do 2 front wheels. So that's my goal, is to get just the 2 done for now, and then I'll order some more product later. Stock brake pads, BMW brake pads, they dust horribly. All right, so this front, yep, that's cleared. I've got to get these brakes taken care of. I was stopping earlier, and it sounds like, it sounds pretty bad. You can even feel it in the brake pedal. It feels pretty bad. That'd help if I got the other one off, huh? Yeah, so my goal is to get these washed inside and out, and then get all this ceramic coated. Wow, one-handed while holding the camera on the tripod, not easy. And I'm sure I just made everybody sick when I almost dropped those. Next, and this is a really important part of the process, is then getting rid of any kind of grease, contaminants, anything like that. So I use the CarPro eraser, and then I just come in here and then just start toweling everything. so before we close out this video, the big question is, did the Deluxe work or did it not work, right? So it'd be very anticlimactic just to end the video without showing you the proof. So let's show you the proof. So what I'm gonna do is, this tire or this wheel, this is probably ceramic coated with the light about 6 months ago or something like that. I think it's worn off, it just can't stand up to the heat. And of course, this one was just done recently. I think the easiest thing to do is, let's break out a hose. And let's hose this one. And let's see what the runoff looks like. Okay, so you can see here, like there's still some ceramic kind of working there. Here, maybe a little bit, but there's definitely failure. Because we're looking for it like on the car, like that, right? To kind of beat off. So let's go to the front here. Yeah, ooh. So that's the $1 million question. Did it indeed coat? And then if you look in here, look, right? We can see all of the beading that's happening inside. So that's the goal, is that these brakes dust so badly. Yeah.
So now you don't need new brakes?
Oh, I need new brakes.
Oh.
So yeah, I think that works. All right, guys, so I hope you liked this video. If any of you are interested in ceramic coating your wheels, cars, I know you can do it. I can do it. A lot of us can do it. It can be quite expensive. However, messing it up can be also a pain in the rear. I think it's probably easier to start maybe with your wheels, learning to ceramic coat your wheels versus doing the paint on your M3, Ferrari, whatever it is that you're doing, Toyota Camry, Honda Civic. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. So subscribers are really, really important to the channel. We're getting close to that 1,000 mark, and the more subscribers we have means the more interesting projects we can start doing. We can start really investing in the channel even more. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments, drop those comments. Comments mean everything. I try to reply to every comment as quickly as possible. Some days it's 30 minutes, and some days it's like 12 days, but guaranteed I will reply to your comments. So thanks for watching, guys.